In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the view size in Outlook. This handy adjustment can make a significant difference, especially if you find the default text a bit small and challenging to read. We'll walk through this process together seamlessly to enhance your emailing experience, all in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, you want to go to the Outlook login page, which is easily accessible via Microsoft's website. Open your preferred web browser and search for Outlook login, or use the direct URL if you have it handy. Once you're there, you'll find the familiar interface waiting for you. Click on the sign in button to begin logging into your account, enter your credentials as prompted. Just make sure you're using a secure password and perhaps consider enabling additional security features such as two-factor authentication to protect your account. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the main mail screen. This is the hub where you'll access all your emails and messages. What we're aiming to do now is access the settings that allow modifications to the layout, thus increasing the viewing size of the text. Next, look for the Mail section. Typically, Mail will be readily visible on the left-hand side of your screen. This link will direct you to all central functionalities related to your emails, such as composing, reading, and managing your messages. Once in the Mail section, you'll need to proceed to the Layout settings. The Layout section includes various options for modifying how your Outlook interface is presented, and it gives you great flexibility in customizing the view to suit your personal needs. After clicking on Layout, you should see an option called View Size or something similar, with various size choices, perhaps listed as small, medium and large. For our purpose today, you want to select the large option. By doing so, Outlook will increase the view size of the text across your emails and interface. And there you have it, your view size in Outlook should now be larger, making reading emails much easier on the eyes. This simple change can significantly improve both your comfort and efficiency, whether you're tackling a busy day at work or keeping in touch with friends and family. One final tip, after you make these changes, send yourself a test email to see how everything looks. If you're satisfied with the adjustments, great. If not, you can always return to the layout settings and make further modifications until you find what suits you best. Remember, these settings can be adjusted as often as needed, so feel free to try different views until you're completely comfortable. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.